Boy, these sentences seem to be getting bigger. All right, happy Thursday. Let's see what we can get done today. All right, errors is a noun. Such is answering which errors, such errors. So such is going to be an adjective. Could is a helping verb. Be is a linking verb. Quite is going to be an adverb. Easily is going to be an adverb. And correct is going to be an adjective. Basically, easily is modifying correct, and so is quite. And then correct is actually modifying errors. But is a coordinating conjunction. I want you to notice that comma right in front of but. Inflated is an adjective modifying language. And is a coordinating conjunction. Pompous is an adjective modifying language. Language is a noun. Must is a helping verb. Be is a linking verb. Completely is an adverb. Rewritten is going to be an adjective. And it is going to be modifying language. Okay. Completely is modifying. There we go. And then to be is one of those infinitives. We're going to have to come back to it. And then effective is going to be an adjective, which means this part right here, to be effective, is going to be an infinitive phrase. Now remember, an infinitive phrase can be an adjective, an adverb, or a noun. We don't know how it's acting in the sentence yet. But I can go ahead and identify this as an infinitive phrase. I just have to remember I got to go fill this hole. All right, let's go find our predicates. Could be is a linking verb predicate. Must be is also a linking verb predicate. Goodness, my handwriting's getting bad. Okay, who or what could be? Errors could be correct is a predicate adjective. Who or what must be? Language must be rewritten is going to be your predicate adjective, which means you're going to have a break right where that comma was. Such errors could be quite easily correct. That is an independent clause. It can stand all by itself. You don't have any phrases right here. It's good to go. Let's see. But inflated and pompous language must be completely rewritten to be effective. Starts with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. So guess what? It can also be an independent clause, which makes this independent plus an independent is a compound declarative sentence. Now let's go back and avoid the thing, or fix the thing we've been avoided. Okay, if rewritten is your predicate adjective, what is to be effective modifying? It's modifying rewritten, because if you rewrite it, then it's going to be effective. That means if this is an adjective, then to be is acting as an adverb, and to be effective is an infinitive phrase. Okay? All right. A is an article adjective. Large is modifying part, so large is an adjective, part is a noun. Of is a preposition. Woo! Beginning is going to be, let's do it this way. Writers is a possessive noun, modifying concern, which is a noun. Beginning is going to be to what extent? So I could see being an adverb, although typically adverbs don't but that's because writers, in this case, although it's a possessive noun, it's acting as an adjective. I get it. So beginning is modifying writers, writers is modifying concern. Okay, which makes concern the object of the preposition, and of beginning writers concern is a prepositional phrase. It's modifying part, which is a noun, which makes this an adjective prepositional phrase. All right. For his readers is another prepositional phrase, so for is a prep. His is going to be, let's do a possessive pronoun, and readers is going to be a noun. It's going to be the object of the preposition. And concern is what it's modifying, so it's an adjective prepositional phrase. Should is a helping verb. Be is a linking verb. Avoid would normally be a verb, but it's got that ing, so I'm going to come back at it. Careless is modifying errors. Errors is a noun, which makes careless a adjective. And is a coordinating conjunction. Anything in this case is acting as an indefinite pronoun. That is a relative pronoun. Might is a helping verb, raise is an action verb, question is a noun, or is a coordinating conjunction, and offend is a noun, because this or is joining these two things right here. Okay, let's find our predicates. Should be, that is a linking verb predicate. And might raise, that is an action verb predicate. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. Who or what should be? Part, large part should be. What should it be? should be avoiding careless errors. This whole thing right here is a predicate nominative. Well, if it's a predicate nominative, then that means that this is acting as a noun. Okay, go to your cheat sheet. On the back, find the phrase that would normally be a verb but ends in ing and acts as a noun. What is that called? That's right, it's a gerund phrase. Okay? All right, who or what might rise or might raise? Anything. I lied. It is that might rise, and it's going to be question is your direct object or offend is your direct object. And you have this coordinating conjunction here that joins them together. Okay, let's see where we break. A large part of beginning a writer's concern for his readers should be avoiding careless errors and anything. That's going to be where your break is. Okay, that is going to be an independent clause. Starting, that might raise a question, is a dependent clause starting with a relative pronoun, which makes it an adjective dependent clause. You have an independent clause plus a dependent clause, makes it a complex declarative sentence. You guys tired of the sound of my voice yet? Because I am.